So hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss half-yearly exam paper for 8th class students mathematics subject. The marks allotted for this exam is 80 marks and the time given is 3 hours. So down they have given the general instructions. You can pause the video and learn the instructions. Let us move to the first question. So the first question is we have to solve this question. 2y plus 9 is equals to 4. So if plus 9 going that side, 4 minus 9, then we'll get 2y is equals to minus 5. If going that side, into 2 going that side, divided by, then we'll get 4 minus 4.5. This is the answer for the first question. Let us move to the next question. So the second question is find x in the adjoining figure. So here this is a quadrilateral. So in the quadrilateral, 4 angles sum is 180 degrees. So if do addition for these 4 angles and is equals to 360, then you can find the value of x. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is find the square of the number 39. So square means 39 square, then it becomes 39 into 39. So what is the answer? You will get that is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is the list price. The list price of a frock is 220 and the discount is 20% announced on the sales. What is the amount of the discount on it? So the rupees is 220. In 100%, if we minus 20%, we will get 80%. So 80 by 100 into 220 you can do. Then by cancelling we get 176. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is a picnic has been planned in a school for 7th class. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are in 18 in the number. Find the number of boys. So we have to find the number of boys. Okay. So 60% nothing but 60 by 10. You can take boys into x is equals to total number is 18, you can write. Then going that x we can get into division x. So you can find the x value. So x value going that side, it becomes division. So like that, by solving this equation we can find the value of x. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is sixth question. A ball has 5 red balls and 7 yellow balls. The balls are identically in all respect other than colors. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. What is the probability for getting an yellow ball? So probability nothing but formula is there. Total number of balls by favorable outcome by total number of outcomes. So favorable outcome by total number of outcome. So favorable is here 7 and total is 7 plus 5 12. So this is the probability to getting. This is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is section B. Find two rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So first you have to take the denominator same. So then for 2 you will get 2 by 3 you will get 10 by 15. For 4 by 5 you will get 12 by 15. Then there is only one rational number between these two. So again you can do into 2 by 2 for both of these numbers. Then you will get 20 by 30. Here 24 by 30. In between these 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. So many numbers are there. So let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. That is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is 165 degrees? Okay. So first of all, total is 180 degrees. So you can do 180 minus 165. Then you will get 15 degrees. Then 15 degrees you can divide with 360 degrees. Then you can get the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So by cancelling you will get 24 in the 8th sum. So 24 sides are there in the regular polygon. Let us move to the 9th question. Next question is find the cube root of 17576 by prime factorization. You can do prime factorization method for this. So 3 pairs you can do. Then you can find the answer for this solution. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is Vaniba brought an air cooler. Its rupees is 3,300 including tax of 10%. Find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. Okay. So first that is 100%. Then it becomes plus 10% including tax. Then it becomes 110%. Then you can do like this 100 by 10 into 3,300. 100 by 10 into 3,300. By cancelling you will get 3,000. So 3,000 is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is find the square number between the divisible. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9, 10. So first of all you have to take the LCM of this. By this you can get which number is divided by for these 3 numbers. So I think you will get 90. So then you have to do 90 square again. Then you will get by 90 square. You have to do like that. By finding you will get the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So next question is you have to find the frequency table for this. So here woman, man, boy, girl. Then after you have to wear tally marks like that. Tally marks. Okay, like that you can do tally marks of the total number. How many tally marks are there? You can write the number here. Okay, like that you can find the question. Let's move to the next question. So next question is represent these numbers on the number line. So first one I will say, remaining you can do 5 by 4. So write this number like this 0, 1, 2. Okay, so first there will be 3. 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 1 by 4. This here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 here. Then 1 it becomes. Then next number 5 by 4 here it becomes. You can find this number 5 by 4. Let us move to the next question. So next question is construct a quadrilateral AB and the centimeters are given here. So you can construct this quadrilateral. Let us move to the next question. So next question is find CI on rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% annum compound half yearly. So formula for this simplification is PTR by 100. P is 8,000, T is 1 year and R is 9%. So like that you can take this into and cancel this number. You can get the answer. Let us move to the question. So next question is solve. We have to solve this. First we can take LCM. Then we will get 16x plus 7 by 2 is equals to 3x by minus 21 by 2. So both 2's will cancel. Again 3x will come this side, plus 7 going that side. Then by solving it 7x is equals to minus 35. Then x is equals to minus 5 is the answer. Let us move to the next question. So next question is find the smallest number by which 675 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect square. So you have to do the prime factorization method. Then you have to get the perfect cube in 3 times. The number should become. Which number does not come 3 times? That is the smallest number for this answer, for this number. Let us move to the next question. The next question is the below figure B best is a parallelogram. Find the value of XYZ in the cube. So this one is 100. Then x will also become 100. Then x and z are recent angles is equals to 180. So then x value you will get 80. You can do linear equation x, then y you will get 100 degrees. Let us move to the next question. So next question is they have given a bar graph related question. So let us see first question. What is the information is being given? So here they are giving class 8 measurements in this bar graph. Next question is which group contains maximum girls? So in which group contains 42, 45? In this group maximum girls are containing. Let us see next question. The next question, how many girls are having height 145 centimeters more? So we have to find 155 to up to next. We have to add this, then you will get the answer. Let us move to the next question. Next question, they have 20 question. The students of the class 8 school donated rupees 2404 in fall in all of her Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as much rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. So you can take x into x, then is equals to 2400. X squared becomes 2401. X is equals to square root going that side, then it adds to 401. Then we can find the value of square 2401. Then you will get the answer for this question. Let us see the next question. In a factory, women serve 35% of the work, the rest of the workers being men. The number of men exists that of women by 252. Find the total number of workers in a factory. 35% of girls means if we want to find the boys, 100 minus 35, we will get 65% of boys. Next they have asked to find the total number of workers in the factory. 65 by 100 into x minus 35 by 100 into x is equals to 225. Then what will be answer for x? That is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. Next question is, find a number whose fifth part increases by 30 is equals to the fourth part decreases by 30. So you can write this equation like this. You write the equation like this, then you will get the answer. Sorry, not this equation. Yes, you can write this equation. Then what will be the value for the x? That is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So next question, section D. See the number of digits of two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, you'll find that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So you can write the equation 10 into x plus 9 minus x. So you can take this as minus is equals to 27. So by solving this equation, what is the value of x you will get? Then what will be the value of x? That is the answer for this question. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is, find the square root of the following long division method. For this to let us see the first one, 27.04 we can take, then 5 times 25 we can take, then you will get 2 0 you keep in the remainder, then 04 you can take it down. 5 if we 5 doubled, then you will get 10. In 10 how many times you will get? 1 or 2 times. 1 or 2 times, then 204 you will get the answer. You will get 5.2 times. That is the answer for the question. The next question you can see, so B you can do yourself. Let us move to the next question. So next question is 25th one, construction question. You can do the construction question. Let us move to the next question. So next question is the ratio of the exterior angle, interior angle, radial polygon is in the ratio of 1:4. Find the number of sides for the polygon. So you can take 1x plus 4x is equals to 180 degrees. So 5x you will get, x is equals to 180 by 5. By cancelling you will get 36 sides. Let us move to the next question. So the next question is from 2 by 5 of a total number of students of a school by car, while 1/4 of a student come by bus. Other bus students by 1 by 3 come by walk on their own, and the rest of them restored by their parents. If student 4 come school walking on their own, how many students study in that school? So x by 3 you can take is equals to 224. Then you can find the value of x, that is the total number of students. Let's move to the next question. Next question is evaluate this equation. So square root of 0.27 is 0.3 plus square root of 0.008 is 0.2. Then square root of 0.064 is 0.4. By adding this, you will get 0.9. Let us see the next question. So next question is the population of the city is 20,000 in a year 1997. It increases by 5%. That the population at the end of the year 2000. Write in two effects of the high population. So you can take rate as 20,000. PP principal. PTR formula you can take PTR by 100. P you can take as 20,000 into time you can take. They have asked 1997 to 22,000. So time is 3 years. So 3 you can take rate as 5%. By solving you will get the answer. Let us move to the next question. Sorry, I have forgotten this. Write any two effects of high population. You can write any two effects of high population. So next question they ask is the favorite flavors of ice cream of the students are given in the percentages of formula. So they have given a box here. So flavors and percentage of students. So first question they ask which flavor got the most percentage. Which flavor got chocolate flavor got most percentage. Find the central angle of the sector. So how to find the central angle of the sector means. So how to find each of the central sector means take 50%. 50 by 100 you can take into 360. Then like that you will get the answer for the chocolate 50%. After you can do with 25% also. Like that you can find the sectors. So while doing the next question is draw a pie chart showing the information. While doing this formula you will get the numbers in you will get the percentage numbers in numbers. So like that you can construct a pie chart by doing circling with potatoes. If you like, and that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon which is beside of the subscribe button. If you have any doubts, you can say in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in our next session. Until then, thank you. Bye.